Do you want to save money but don't know how? In the whirlwind of life, it might seem like a daunting task, but we're here to help with practical, easy-to-follow steps that can help you build a hefty savings account. First off, ditch those unnecessary subscriptions. Take a good look at all the services you're subscribed to and consider which ones you really need. That extra streaming platform or magazine subscription that you barely use. It might be time to cut the cord. Next, become a master of meal prep. Plan out your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it. Not only will you save money, but you'll also be doing your health a favor. Embrace the thrill of the secondhand treasure hunt. Check out thrift stores or online marketplaces for clothes, furniture, and more. You'd be astonished at the gems you can find and the dollars you can save. Then, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Treat it like a bill that needs to be paid every month. Before forking out cash for something, ask yourself if you can do it yourself. From home repairs to gifts, unleashing your inner handyman can save you a pretty penny. Cash in on Cashback rewards. Use Cashback apps or credit cards with rewards programs for your regular purchases. Make your money work for you. And conquer impulse buying. Create a 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. If you still want it the next day, then go for it. More often than not, you'll find it was simply a fleeting fancy. Finally, adopt energy-efficient habits at home. Switch to LED bulbs, unplug electronics when not in use, and adjust your thermostat. These small changes can lead to substantial savings on your energy bill. So there you have it, folks. Saving money isn't rocket science. It's all about making small, consistent changes that can have a big impact over time. Share these tips with your friends and family, and together, build a community of savvy savers. And now it's your turn. What's your favorite money-saving tip? Drop a comment below. Remember, every penny counts. Hammer that subscribe button, join the conversation below, and spread the joy by smashing that like button. Thank you for watching.